Have you ever been sitting quietly, doing absolutely nothing, and then suddenly, hic! Your body makes a weird little jump, and everyone looks at you like you just exploded. Don't worry. You didn't break. You just got the hiccups. But why do hiccups happen? Inside your body, under your lungs, there is a big muscle called the diaphragm. That sounds like a scary science word, but it is really just a stretchy helper muscle. The diaphragm helps you breathe in and breathe out all day long. When you breathe in, your diaphragm moves down. When you breathe out, it moves back up. Most of the time, it works quietly like a good little breathing pancake. But sometimes, your diaphragm gets surprised. Maybe you ate too fast. Maybe you drank something fizzy. Maybe you laughed super hard while eating a giant bite of sandwich. And your diaphragm goes, "Whoa! What is happening?" Then it suddenly jumps. When it jumps, air rushes into your throat really fast. And the tiny door in your throat snaps shut. That snap makes the sound hic. So a hiccup is basically your body doing a tiny surprise burp jump. Okay, not exactly, but kind of. Imagine there is a tiny hiccup monster inside your tummy pressing a red button. Every time it presses the button, your diaphragm jumps. Boing! Hic! Boing! Hic! But don't worry. Hiccups usually go away by themselves. Some people drink water. Some people hold their breath. Some people ask someone to scare them. But honestly, your body usually fixes it on its own. The hiccup monster gets bored, packs up his tiny suitcase, and leaves. Then your diaphragm goes back to breathing normally. So the next time you get hiccups, don't panic. Just remember, your diaphragm got confused for a minute. And somewhere inside your imagination, a tiny hiccup monster probably pressed the wrong button. Hic!